Hello students, welcome to our today practical session. In our today practical session, we can learn the concept of array. So, with the help of array, we can implement 3 by 3 matrix in C++. So, dear students, in our today session, first of all, we have to add our header files. So, here our header file is hash include iostream.h, then hash include conio.h. After that, I am adding our main function from where the execution of program is started. Then I am adding clear screen function, and after clear screen function, I am declaring our array, and also I am giving the size for rows and column. Okay. Rather than this, I am also declaring for another variable. One variable is for row, another is for column, another is for I, and another is G. So these are my 4 variables. After that, with the help of cout, I am printing a message, and the message is enter the number of row for array. And after printing the message, I am entering the values with the help of cin. Okay, so with the help of cin, I am entering the number of rows. Then with the help of cout, I am printing a message, enter the number of column, and with the help of cin, I am entering the column. After that, first of all, I am entering the array elements. Okay, for entering array element, I am printing the message by using cout. Then by using for loop, I am entering the values that are stored inside the 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so first of all, I am using for loop for entering the value. Then I am using cout function to print the message the array is. Okay, after that again I am using for loop to print the values that is stored inside the array. Okay, and this value is stored in the form of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, after that I am using my getCS function. So dear students, what I am doing in our today program, first of all we are declaring an array, then we are entering the number of rows. Okay, if I am using 3 by 3 matrix, then number of row is 3 and the number of column is 3. Then with the help of for loop, first of all I am inserting the element inside the array, and after that with the help of for loop I am printing the element. Here dear students, after executing you can see it will print a message, enter number of row for array. So here I am entering number row 3. Again it is printing a message, enter the number of column for array. Again I am entering 3 because we want to implement 3 by 3 matrix. Then it print a message, enter the elements and the array elements. So here I am entering the elements. So I am entering 2, 3, 4 for first row. Then for second row I am entering 5, 6, 7. Similarly, after second row, I am entering the number for third row, that is 8, 9, 10. And now I am pressing enter. After pressing enter, it will show our array element in the form of 3 by 3 matrix. So here you can see it is our 3 by 3 matrix with the help of array. So dear students, in our today's session we have learned how to make 3 by 3 matrix by using the concept of array in C++. So thank you for joining our today session.